Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another beautiful tutorial for you guys. On today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful fan gele. It's a portable fan gele. I had to add style and definition to make it look different. So guys, if today is your first time stopping by my channel, please subscribe, and when you do so, remember to click on the notification bell beside the subscribe button. When you do so, you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So guys, for this tutorial today, I'm using paper gele. This paper gele is 2 yards gele. Then I'm going to make it a 70-30 system. By 70-30, I mean that one side is 30 while the other side is 70. I'm going to go ahead and place it on the head and form my plate. Remember to form a very beautiful plate. When you are done, remember to arrange both sides of the gele. After that, you tie the 30 and the 70 at the back to make your gele very firm. So when I'm done, I'm going to be coming up with the 70 parts of this gele. I'll bring it forward. Make sure you drag your gele very well at the roots. Then I'll start forming more plates to add to the ones I've formed already. When you form your plates, remember to be checking when you will start your fan plates. If you want your fan to come out very big, remember to do so. So guys, I've started my fan plates, and as you can see, I'm forming it in a slanty form. So when you form, you remember to trace the plates you have down. As you do so, you shift your hands so at this stage, I'm using my office pin, the office pin that you know. In order not to allow my plates to scatter. When you are forming fan plates, you have to be very, very careful, because any slightest mistake, the rest will just unravel. When you form your fan, you bring your hands downward. And to achieve this side, to make both sides equal, when you get to this side, you have to bring your hands up, measure the gele very well. As you form your fan, you have to look at the other side to make sure that both of them are equal. If they are not equal, then you bring your hands up to make the fans look smaller. So remember to use your pins at this stage. As you can see, I'm checking to know if both sides are equal. So guys, remember to support your girl. Remember to share my video with your loved ones. Give me a thumbs up and ask your questions at the comment section. At this stage, you have to be very careful. Gradually follow your pleats. At this stage, any pleats you form, I advise you pin it. Secure it very well with your office pin. So guys, the next thing I'll do right now is, this gele is very open at the back. I didn't cover the hair of my model. Is open at the back. So what I'll do now is, when I get to the back, then I'll use the remaining parts of the 70 that is remaining. I'll bring it forward. But before I do that, I will use my office pin to pin it very well where the pleats stop. Pin it with the one you pleated at the very beginning of the gele to make it very firm. Pin it there very well. Then after that, you bring this one forward from the back to the front. Then the beginning of this 70 part that is remaining, you just pin it with the first gele, the first pleat, I mean to say, as you can see on the screen. Then you form more pleats with the remaining one. Form your pleats. When you are done, you pin it with the fan, the one at the back. Pin them together as seen on the screen. Then you bring it up. Just watch my hand on the screen and you understand what I'm doing. You bring it up and still pin it together. Then leaving the rest. So guys, this gele is ready. I'm just doing small arrangements If you love this tutorial, kindly support your girl. Like my video, share this with your family and friends, and drop your comments on the comment section. If you have not subscribed, remember to do so before you leave this channel. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. And guys, I want to use this opportunity to beg you guys to follow me on my Instagram page via Black and Shine for Real. So guys, see you in my next video. Bye.